Okay, everyone. So this one is our Euro USD chart in a daily time frame structure. And if you are new or the previous member, like old members who joined recently or past members who joined 2, 3 weeks ago, then everyone can like annotate and everyone can participate to marking the structure, to marking like anything when a backtesting, and you can ask question answer after finish this a weekly outlook. So first of all, mark the everyone the structure mapping in a daily time frame in a Euro USD. So everyone mark the lower low and lower high in this bearish market in a Euro USD for your warm up and for a quick exercise. Simply tap on annotate on a zoom section. You will see annotate button and tap on it, and then you will able to draw on a screen here. Simply mark the lower low and lower high. Also, if possible, mark the inducement. How I can draw? Simply tap on annotate on a zoom, tap on more, and then you will see annotate. Then you will, I will to draw a screen on my screen. Okay, so everyone, good job, and you are doing really good job to marking a structure. And this one is a really a good thing that you are marking the correct structure. Okay, as you know that market momentum is a bearish in a Euro USD, and looking for the sell, and what we can expect here. We can expect that if market momentum is a bearish, so if I'm marking the first recent higher low, this one is our lower low and lower high, something like this, and here. Okay, and these are all break of structure is here, and this one, and the next one is here. Correct. So this one is our new lower low and lower high is here and break of structure. And right now we can see in this market where is our inducement at this point. Correct. So if market taken out this inducement, then we can consider this become our new lower low, which one is here. But market is still not taken out this high. If market taken out this high, this lower low will be confirmed. So right now this is not a confirm here, and maybe market push downside, right, and push downside and then create new low like here. Okay, break this low. So possibly if create this high, something like this, so this can be your new inducement. Taking out this inducement, this lower low confirm. So we have a range between this high to this low, and this is this will be count as a single leg move here. Okay. Okay, so this is an overall view in a heuristic in a daily time frame structure. So right now, what we can expect here in a, as per the 15-minute structure as a day trader, and what we can expect here. We can expect a short-term buy for the upside move. As you know, market sweep the previous candles low, which is act like a liquidity sweep in a higher time frame. And after taking out this low, we can expect price go higher. And if price tap on this demand zone, which one is here, this we can say this side will act like a demand zone. If price tap on it, then we can definitely buy for the upside. At least our target will be here. Which one is it? Correct. So this is our higher time frame target. And if you notice here in a daily time frame, this candlestick taken out the previous candle high, which one is here. After taking out the previous candle high, which act like a like liquidity stop, liquidity taken out liquidity, external liquidity. And then what happened here? Once market break the previous measure high or low, I mean previous day high low candles, then we can sell or buy, right? So if market break the previous high, we can definitely sell. If market taken out the previous candle low, we can buy into lower time frame for short term or long term as per the higher time frame structure, and lower time frame like 15-minute strength like structure based on the structure. Okay, so after taking out this high, we can definitely sell. And as I mentioned, I already posted this is a act like a supply zone. If price tap here and give any possibility, we can sell here because this high taken out the liquidity, and this entire zone act like a supply, and we can sell into 15-minute. Okay, but what happened? Market break the previous high, and there is a no opportunity right now, and market already is I think it's there is a late night here as per my country. Okay, so now market start ranging. Okay, and let's see what will be happen tomorrow and where is market going on. So let's switch into the 15-minute structure. Okay, this one. And I mark this supply zone is here, correct. And why I mark this one? Because this previous high taken out by this, right? So this area is a more high probability, or you can say more high probability zone for the sell, because this high taken out the previous high. When any single high taken out the previous high or low, those area is strong for the buy and sell, right? And same thing happen here. If you can see here, this high taken out by this move, right? So this high is a more strong for the sell, correct? Taken out this high, this one, okay? Again push downside, taken out this high, measure high, tap here and give a small reaction. And if there is anything possible into 1 minute, we can definitely sell. And maybe if anything happen here, and definitely this is one market move was up and possibly hit the stop loss. But this was a like a good entry for the sell, because this is was as per our plan, and this one is our low. When we can set our target point is here, because this was our previous day low is here, and this is our entire zone in a daily time frame is our shadow, big shadow for the buy. So at least market take not this low, then we can buy. Okay, so if market give any sell opportunity at this point, we can sell here to here, right? But market pick the previous high, which one is here. Now we are looking for the buy, not interested for the sell. But if market sweep the previous high and give any indication, then we can definitely sell. Okay, but it's take time to closing the price, then we can decide it. Okay, so first look at the 5-minute chart. There is no possible entries here. Okay, market at least taken out the break the previous 5-minute low, which one is here. If break this low, okay, then we can sell, expect here, and target will be same. If market sustain above it, then we can definitely buy tomorrow. So this is a possible entry, and this is a possible scenario in a Euro USD for buy and sell. Let's see where is price going on. Now let's switch into the another pair, GBP USD. Okay, so this one is our GBP USD chart in a daily time frame. So everyone mark the lower low and lower high, and inducement. What is the possible here? You can mark here, everyone. Okay. And it at the view sun. Okay. Yes, correct. And this is a correct marking structure is here. Right. And this one is our valid structure is here. Lower low is here. And after that, this become our lower high. And when market push downside, this one is a lower low, lower high. Again, create new lower low, lower high. So this is our current price action is here in a GBP USD in a daily time frame right here. And this one is our breakout structure. And again, new breakout structure was here. Momentum is a bearish, and this is our inducement because this one is our valid pullback. This candle high taken out the previous candle high. So this become our valid pullback, and same thing happen here. And same thing happen here. Correct. So this was our actual structure in a GBP USD, and right now there is no inducement in this line. And then in this case, market target the measure high, which one is here. If market taken out this high, so our this low will be transferred here to here, right? And now we have a range between this high to this low, like here to here. Okay, and this will be our new low, which one is here. Okay, but if price close over it, right? If price close of it, then if we can see short-term move to the upside, then we can definitely sell because in this leg there is no inducement and this is a single leg. This low transfer here to here, and our range will be here, this high to this low. Okay, so let's see how price react here. And this one is a not a valid inducement is here because I already mentioned in a past webinar that this candle height not taken out the previous actual candle because this is an inside candle is here, bullish candle is here at this point, right? But actual high low is here, this one and this one, and this one is happening between the high low. Actual high is here, break this high, so this can be a valid inducement. But market not taken out the previous candle high, which one is here? Okay, so now we are expecting in a GBP USD short term at least taken out this high. If market taken out this high, then we can decide where is market going on. So right now we have a chance to market go higher and market trying to push higher, continue. And this is a lower sweep the low, which one is here. After sweep this low, we can definitely buy. Now let's switch into the 15-minute. Okay. So this one is our 15-minute structure is here. And if you start marking the 15-minute structure, so right now we have this one is our lower high and lower low, break the structure is here. And this one is called change of character because market was bearish and now shift into bullish is here. Correct. Change of character, push higher high, and where is our high is here. Okay. So what happened here? Market taken out the minor inducement is here, and major inducement was here. My major inducement not taken out, but minor inducement taken out. So once market taken out the minor inducement, we can consider as a higher high or higher low, right? So this one is here. Again, market break this high, and this one is a called break of structure is here. After this break of structure, where is our inducement? Our inducement is here, right? If market taken out this one, this act like a higher high, right? And then we can definitely buy for the upside, and this one is our extreme zone when we can anticipate for the buy. And the next unmitigated order block is here because taken out this low, and everything is mitigated here because on this order block is mitigated, and there is a no unmitigated zone for the buy, right? So you can buy first, take a risk here, and second on the extreme, which is extreme is all time is a high probability, right? And this one. So these are two POI when we can buy in a GBP USD, right? So let's see where is market going on tomorrow. And actually, when market mitigate your all order flow, then you can use a minor order flow or unmitigated order flow. Right. First thing is here to mark your unmitigated order flow. Second is here the mark if all order flow is mitigated, then you have to see where is our minor order flow. Like you can say minor like a order block, unmitigated order block, when we can take risk for the buy or sell. In this case, everything is here. Like this is a last selling move is here actual, right? So this is a unmitigated. But if you look here, the last selling move is here, mitigate by this move. This one is a mitigate here, correct? And I think this one is a looks unmitigated here. This one is here, and taken out the inducement, and maybe market tap here and then go higher, right? So main thing is your inducement. When market taken out the inducement, then we can buy. Okay. Question on the inducement: only first pullback count as an inducement and the last as a generally correct. The first pullback is a count as a pullback as a inducement, and the last one is a count as an engine liquidity. So in this case, this can be marked your engine liquidity is here because this is the last point. Correct. Okay, so now let's move on to the another pair, gold. If an order flow is mitigated, that means order block is useless for us. Actually, it's depend. Okay, if all order flow is mitigated, right, then we can use order block, right? If any unmitigated order flow still have, then you should use order flow. Order block is a secondary. First is a order flow. Okay, so this one is our structure in a gold in a daily time frame, and now price trying to push downside and now giving a small reaction to the upside, then we can sell here, right? And let's see where is price going on here. And once price tap on this supply zone, which is here unmitigated big here, and this previous day high big is here, which act like an inducement is here. Correct. If market go higher, sweep this high and mitigate this supply zone, which one is here, then we can sell into downside, and this will taken out the previous candle high. So this area is a strong zone for the sell, and you have to wait for it. once price tap here, and then we can sell into downside. Target will be here. So order flow entry increase the risk and max minimize the risk. Actually, order flow, you don't need to sell or buy on the order flow directly. Once price tap on your order flow in a higher time frame, then you have to switch into lower time frame for additional confirmation for the buy or sell. Correct. Okay, so right now we can sell after taking out the previous day high, which one is here. If market taken out this high, then we can sell. If price mitigate a PY more than once, we can see if price tap on your PY in a single time, and then price again tap on your PY the next attempt, then you don't need to like those PY probability decrease for the buy or sell. You can use your PY only one time use. Can you give me example when market hit the order flow and then what? There are a lot of example and keep watching continue. You will see a lot of example. Don't worry. So this is a Euro gold chart in a daily time frame, and right now price is trying to push higher into lower time frame, and then we can expect into downside move. And this one is our target is here because market momentum is a bearish. Market taking out the liquidity and pushing downside, and this one is our trend line liquidity. Correct. And same thing happen here, taking out the inducement, tap on your order block and push downside. Taken out the inducement, tap on order block, push downside. Okay, so right now momentum is a bearish in a higher time frame, in a daily time frame, and price is still struggling to go higher. Then we can sell. So this one is our high, which is our previous day high here. If market taken out this high, we can definitely sell. And one more thing is here. This one is our order flow is here. Unmitigated order flow is here. Right. So this one is our liquidity actually this high technically. If market taken out this high, we can sell. And this was our like a minor inducement, you can say something like this. Price go higher, push downside, and then first high taken out, mitigate something here, and then short-term sell at least this low. Right? If market give any opportunity, then we can buy, and then measure sell will be here till this low. Right. So this is a possible scenario in a gold in a 15-minute structure. Right. And let's see where is price. Yes, see, correct. And this was our supply, which is type here. And if you switch into here into 1 minute structure, then you can see more clearly. Let's see what happened here. Perfect. This was a 15-minute high sweep, and after sweep this high, we can sell two types of entry is here. First is here, if price tap on your PY zone, then you can sell on the single candle like a sweep here and close below it. You can first entry sell here if possible, correct, but and push downside, right? But this is a like you have to check in a 15-minute first that market actually close above it, below it or not. Okay, here. So this is our zone for this side, right? So first zone is here for this side, and now switch into 1 minute. Okay, perfect. This was a change of character is here, like here. Change of character again. This is a choppy price action taken out this high, Again push downside, break this high, taking out the inducement, and tap on this extreme. Break this low is here, taking out the inducement and tap on the supply zone. Again sell, again break the structure is here, taking out the inducement, and where is our, this is the see, if market break this low, then we can again sell into gold for 1 minute, right? And maybe possible on this order flow, give a reaction and then fill, and then we can sell on this flip module and sell till this low, which one is here, correct? So everything is mitigated. How? So we can easily take anti-type 3. Anti-type 3 is a only happen when market sweep the previous high or low like this, and this one is here. When market sweep the major high or low, then we can buy or sell. And here, this was here, 15-minute was sweep here, and after sweep this high, we can sell into 1 minute after the job pause. Okay, so this is a possible scenario in a gold chart, and this is a 15-minute, I mean 1 minute trend and liquidity possible. Then you have to wait for it at least. This is a trend line liquidity. Break this high. After break this high, we can again sell. Okay. If market not break this high, then market must be break this low. If market break this low, then we can sell something like this. Break this low, right? Taken out the inducement, then we can sell. So these are two possible scenario for this side. Either break this high, either break this low. Okay. Okay, now switch into the another pair, is a Bitcoin. Okay, what happening here in a Bitcoin? So in a Bitcoin chart, market is still in a range, and market only taken out the liquidity right here, sweep this high, push downside, break this low, sweep this high, and I think no, sweep this high. So everything is taken out the liquidity on buy side and sell side, both side liquidity taken out in a higher time frame, right? And market just giving a reaction, and this buy act like a supply, this side of act like a supply type here, and then we can sell. And the bottom side, you can see market taking out this all liquidity and trying to go higher. So both side liquidity taken out in a Bitcoin in a daily time frame. And let's see where is price going on here. If I switch into 4 hour, then we can see more clear picture that where is market going on here. This one on the supply zone. So this one is looks more valid for the sell. Price tap on this supply because this high are taken out the previous candle high, which one is here, correct? So we can expect a downside move till this low is here. This is our actual target is here for the sell, and this become our trendline liquidity breakout, failed and push downside. We can expect a sell move to the downside is here into Bitcoin, right? And these are all liquidity, trendline liquidity go higher and manipulate on both sides. Exactly, it's very messy right now. There is no volume inside, taken out the liquidity on buy side, sell side. Okay, so right now price type on it and give a small reaction on this order block is here. And if market break this demand zone, Okay, so this become our flip entry. Right here, type here give reaction and then failed. So when market fail this demand zone, then we can sell on this supply, and this one is our flip entry model, and we can sell at this point. Definitely again break the structure, taken out the high, we can sell like this. Do we need to consider volume RSI also SMC? No, I don't think you do. You don't need to need any additional some indicator like volume and RSI, MACD, and there are a lot of indicators. I don't think you don't need it. Okay, so now, okay, now let's start some quick question answer, and after that we will start quick back testing, and after that I will announce some homework for you. Okay, can you show your Bank Nifty 1 minute chart? My queries. Okay, sure, Bank Nifty. Oh my God. Manipulation. Yeah. Look at this. I think in the in a Hindi webinar I mentioned here, like this was a trendline liquidity, and market open up, cap up, and then what happened? Collecting all money, trendline liquidity, and tap on extreme. Wow. And then push downside and taken out the major inducement, which one is here, and go higher. Perfect. And this is a trendline breakout for the retailers and who trade based on the trendline breakout or breakdown. So this is a perfect example is here, and this one is also known as a channel pattern, which is a reversal pattern. I also used when I was trading based on the patterns and trendline, right? So this patterns property have market took this trendline, and then we can buy after like once market close the bullish engulfing candlestick and bearish candlestick, then we can sell or buy like this. So a lot of people introduce here for buy if market break this high, right? I have a problem in market structure. Okay, which time frame structure marking problem? I think in a 5 minute is a good time frame for the bank nifty traders. 1 minute today. Okay. Okay, so everyone help them to marking the 1 minute structure, everyone. And this is a today zone, entire range. So everyone mark the structure in a, this is a 1 minute chart. So everyone mark the higher high, higher low, and boss job only. Sir, Aussie USD, Euro USD, Euro USD already finished, and for the Aussie USD, I will do. So don't worry. I sent you. Yes, I remember Subhankar. Okay, mark it very carefully, everyone. Okay, I think it's very messy. Little bit clear it first. Break off structure, you can say like a change of factor, whatever you call. Okay, market go higher and market taken out the inducement. This higher high is a confirm. And then what happened? This become our higher low. Again, market break this high. If market break this high, there is a no inducement is here or not. Let me check first. Then we can decide where is next. At this point, there is no inducement, right? So what we can expect here? Where is our inducement is here in this case? Is here. Higher high, right? Higher low, break the structure is here. And this was another break of the structure, change of rate, taking out the inducement at this point, go higher. So in this case, there is a no pullback. There is a no inducement is here in this line. So this is a single line. So this low act like a inducement is here. Correct. So once market taken out this inducement, this higher high is a confirm here, right? Then what happened? Market push downside. When market push downside, so where is our like a higher low in this case? And this one is a break of structure and market taken out this low, but this high transfer here to here. Okay, why? Because if you are marking the higher low, for example, is here, so this is a not valid because higher low always create above it because this was our previous higher low. Higher low cannot be create below it, and this can't be your like a job. Okay, because this high will be transferred here to here, and this is our higher high, and new inducement will be here, and this entire zone count in a single line. Correct. So this one is our new higher high, and market push downside, and you don't you need to wait for it. Market break the structure is here, and this is the lowest point is here, and now we have a range, break the structure, go higher, and this is our pullback. Counter trend like this, and this is also count like a single leg is here. This one, correct. So now we have a move something like this, go higher and break the structure is here. Let's see what happened next here. Let me clean first. Okay, so this become our higher high, higher low, break the structure, push downside, higher low, again break the structure. Right now market momentum is a bullish, and you have to wait for it to take out the inducement. I think this is a minor inducement. We can consider this a higher high. So right now this is a move like this. What is single line inducement? What is single line? Actually, this one I'm talking about, this one. This is a single leg, not single line. This is a single leg. Okay, so this one is our single leg. Yes, this is a single leg. Single leg means which are not taken out the any inducement. That's called single leg, like pullback like this. Okay, we did not break any low. In this case, taken out this low, but this high transfer here because in this leg there is a no inducement. That's why this will be count like a single leg, entire leg. And this is our single leg also. Look, this one. This is a single leg move. Okay, everyone. So now switch into the another question answer, and please ask only few questions, and I will do some quick back testing for you. Then you can enjoy the back testing, I hope. But when will be the new entry video preview? I think tomorrow, maybe possible, I will upload a video, and those videos simplify the entry, not any kind of entry. And I will upload the entry video to simplify that how you can take entry when market sweep the high or low or taken out, like tap on your PY zone, then how you can take entry after chop pause or like single candle mitigation or whatever you got. These are like a mix you can use in a every different condition. These videos are not specific for any kind of entry. This can be applied in like in all situations. So I will upload video possibly tomorrow, maybe 1 or max 2 days. Can we ask for audio? Yeah, sure, you can. Yeah, okay. Please hands up, then I will find you exactly where you. Okay.
Mr. Khan.
Yes.
Uh, when there is a single leg, you said there is a single leg, and between this single leg, any structure is happening, then we don't consider that.
Don't understand. Can you repeat again?
When a single leg line is happening, there you show the activity chart. There is a
Mhm.
single leg, and between the single leg, if there is any structure created, then we don't consider any structure. We have to wait for the major structure, the high low for breaking for coach and boss.
Actually, single leg, like
In
uh,
this case, if
yeah,
there is a first single leg and between there is so many structures,
also
but you
change of
did
trade.
not consider anything.
Mhm.
That's a mistake.
Mhm.
And the single leg idea is very confusing for me. When it's
So
happening,
single
there is
leg
a
means
single leg
like
between there.
yeah. Actually, single leg means like impulsive move, right? So this is an impulsive move, and this one is our corrective move, right? Picture structure is here, and this was our next single leg. Single leg means a impulsive move, whereas momentum for the bias if market is a bullish, right?
Okay, in impulsive move, there is so many structures, so we could not
No, no,
consider
no.
that.
You don't need to focus them. You can see single leg means structure create like this. Okay,
Okay.
until broken this high. If market break this high and creating structure like this, so this will be counted like a single leg. If market broke the previous low, so single leg is a finish over because market taken out this inducement and this confirm higher high. Okay.
We only focus in major structures, right?
Yeah, exactly. After break the structure, you have to focus. And if anything happen between this, there is a no matter. Like here, break this high or low, it doesn't matter. Only market break this high, then you have to see that market broke this low or not. Okay. Main thing is here to break the high or low. Then we can decide where is our inducement and we can mark this high or not.
Okay, we have to careful about the single leg. And
Yes.
I. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Oliver. Uh,
Hi, can you hear me?
yeah, I can.
Good, thank you. Could you go please to the Bitcoin chart 15 minutes?
Which one?
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Okay. Let me check one. In a 15 minute?
Yes, 15 minutes, please.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, my question is, if I start to do the market structure, yeah, I could go to this low point here. If you go down,
Okay.
so I could start from here. But if I zoom out, I see a big range. If you
Yes.
zoom out a bit, so my question is, how long do I have to consider this like a range, or is there a time or when I have to start to do a new structure, or is
Mm.
it still valid here? You
Like
know what I mean?
uh,
Like I see like a structure from here to here.
mm-hmm.
So, but it's like in the past, like some days in the past. Is there a point where I have to start a new structure, or is it still valid here?
Actually, this structure is like here. This is a, I think, single leg is here. I think there is a no inducement in a left side.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
exactly.
no inducement. Actually, why we are marking this one? Because this high is a sweep in a daily time frame. Actually, my my main reason to marking this zone, because the previous high sweep, right? That's why I mark. When market sweep the previous high or tap on your PY zone, okay? So those zone act like a PY, like here, okay?
Yeah.
So this one is act like our PY, right? And same thing happen here. If you notice, this one is a taken out. So those candle is here. And this is a called our PY. So if anything happen in a lower time frame, we can sell, right? So you don't need to follow the actual structure. You can simply follow the
Okay.
yeah, normal structure. When press tap on a PY, mitigate your PY. Okay, then you can switch into lower time frame. If anything happen in a lower time frame, then you can take action for the buy or sell. So that's why I mentioned here in a 15 minute that this is our current price action is here. At this point, market tab here, first tab is here, but there is a no chalk pause or flip entry is here. Right now, price is still struggling, right? And
Okay.
yeah, if you look at the left side, you can refine your zone. Like this is a last buying move before the drop. So you can simply
Yeah.
like extend
Yeah.
here. So
Exactly. Yeah.
yeah, and one more reason is here. If you can see the last high up here, which is taken out this one. So this zone is
Yeah.
a more like valid for the sell. So price tap here, and you can take risk for the sell here if market broke this demand is here, because this one is our last demand zone in a 15 minute. Price tap here, give reaction and push downside. If market fail this low is here, right? So this is your high probability entry for the sell. Correct? If
Okay. Good. Good
yeah,
to know.
not
So this would
yeah,
so we could say this is like a higher high now for us. Is
yeah,
it breaking the inducement?
exactly.
Oh, okay. Good. That's what I want to know.
When
Thank you
market
very much.
Yeah, when market tap on a PY zone and break the first lower high, those act like a chalk change of factor, not inducement. Inducement only
Yeah.
count in a in a structure. If market going continue higher high or lower low and not tapping on your PY zone, so those act like a inducement. But when price tap on your PY zone and break the first recent higher low, those count as a change of factor. Simple.
That's correct. Yeah.
Hmm.
So if we somehow come up here, we can say this is a boss now.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Hello, boss. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. How are you?
Yeah, yeah, good. Thank you. I hope you're the same. Just got a quick question about GBP USD. If you go on the GBP USD, please.
Which time frame?
Daily time frame. So I've got two questions, namely about swing trading and a structure. I'll ask you first the structure question.
Okay.
So like obviously you've marked your structure here and here, right? So
Right.
now if the price starts going like this, how can I like start identifying? Obviously, I know my main structure is here and here. That's the range, right? So
Yeah.
whatever happens, the trend is still bearish. So how do I know, or how can I, is it okay, or is it like if I start looking for a buy around here, obviously mainly after taking the inducement out from a swing point of trader, how do I look at that?
Actually, to mark, first thing you need to understand that this one is our like high, which must be taken out, because we know to confirm any high or low, market must be taken out the inducement. So in this case, this one is our inducement. So first thing, we have a probability market will be taken out this high to confirm this lower low is here, right? So we know that market give you momentum to the upside. So you can simply switch into 15-minute, like 15-minute, you can follow the 15-minute structure. Then you can buy or sell as per the 15-minute. And second thing is here, if you are a day trader, right, and then you can simply follow the previous day high or low, because those high or low act like a liquidity. And in this case, if you can see here at this point, uh, this low taken out, when market taken out this low, this is an indication for the reversal. And when
Okay.
has taken out this high, so those are indication for the continuation.
And that's for like day trading, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but obviously if I want to like from the swing trading point of view, I have to mainly look at this to take out, right? This inducement
Yeah.
taken out. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello.
So from swing point of view, yeah. So you've mentioned about this data for the day traders, but if I
Yes.
want to swing these trades, because
Yes.
here the inducement is not taken out yet, okay? So that would be my inducement, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Actually,
this is
yeah,
my inducement. Why would you like mark this as a lower high?
exactly. So you are a swing trader, so you can sell after taking out this high.
Okay, and then the other block would be this.
Yeah, possibly.
Okay.
And maybe sweep this high, you can also sell.
Yeah, so obviously what I'm not understanding is because you mark this as a lower high, right?
Yeah.
Or you mark this as inducement, because obviously you put points. So
Uh,
I'm understanding this is
actually,
my
I
lower
mark.
high.
Yeah, actually, I mark this as an inducement, because in this leg there is no inducement. That's why I mark. If you look
Oh,
the previous one, every times market create inducement. So
yeah.
at this time, market did not create any inducement. That's why I mark this as an inducement. If market broke this low, like here,
Okay.
for example, this one, break this low, right? Not
Yeah.
wire this low. So our inducement, maybe here, maybe this one is a possible, and create maybe this one. So right.
Yeah.
So it depends.
Okay.
Not a,
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, got it. And just for swing trading, should I be like looking at structure on H4?
yeah, for the swing trader, you can say like H4 and taken out
Oh,
the entry as per the 50-minute. So
okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
okay, welcome. Difference between pullback and IDM, both are same. Okay, boss. Now let's quick some back testing. And what pair you suggest for the quick back testing, everyone? Last time we done gold. So GBP USD, Euro USD. Mr. Khan, can you make important videos together and list Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro USD. Okay. There are a lot of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a little bit very messy. For day trading is not good. Okay. Let's choose any pair. Please, Mr. Khan, can you help to put all the important videos together and list them just like you did with a quick tip and diagram? I think all videos are important, and first thing you have to correctly start the study, like part 1 to 7. All videos are important, and you can watch one by one, and then start study ebook. After that, study diagrams, right? And as I mentioned in a Discord, also in a webinar, also that I am going to make another like a you can say trading up 3.0, where I will update all contents which you are reading, and a lot of new topics will be added there. So it's take our time, as I know, as you know, January 1st January 2023 I will launch after finish the all content. So don't worry, and a lot of new things are coming. So study this content, and first you digest this content, you can definitely enjoy the next version, which will be more helpful and game changer for everyone. Is my question about the minor inducement not make sense, Mr. Khan? Minor inducement, like we use for the marking the higher high and higher low, and when you marking the measure inducement always give you measure move, and minor inducement we use generally to marking the higher high and lower low, right? Okay, let's do some back testing, and I think it take a lot of time, so we should start some back testing, and after that if any question we can discuss later. Okay. Test you. Okay. Hasn't said test you. Okay. Okay, so this is our Euro USD chart, and which part you wanna backtest today? 2 days. Okay. EU London and New York price action. Okay. Let's do some quick backtesting here for the current price action is here. Okay. So first of all, if you wanna quick backtesting for the current price action, then you have to mark your first like price like a area of interest when we can buy or sell. So first of all, look at the 5-minute structure, and if you wanna do backtest as per the session, right? So on this one. Okay, this was Asian low, and this was Asian high, correct? And now let's see this one. Okay, so right now, first of all, if you are a day trader, you can take entry based on the session, based on the previous day high or low. You can simply follow the structure. There are different way to trade them. So if you wanna trade based on the session, then you have to must mark the previous session high or low. And one more thing, in a every day, in a 3 session, ASEAN, London, and New York, one session will be manipulated. At least one session will be manipulated, and 2 sessions will be continued. Right. For example, here, this is a ASEAN session. So in this case, if market sweep this low, like here, this one is a ASEAN session low, ASEAN session high. If market manipulate the low, right, then our like London session will be continue, and New York also. If uh, Asian session is a continue and London also continue, then our New York session will be manipulate and reversal, right? If Asian session is going up, correct, and London manipulate, then New York also do follow the like your London session actually. Okay, so right now this is our session high or low. Asian session low is here. Okay, and Asian session is high, right? So you have to wait for it. If market taken out this high or taken out this high, then we can definitely buy or sell, because sessions high low act like a liquidity. If market taken out this session high or low, you can switch into lower time frame, and then you can buy or sell after confirmation, not immediately. If market taken out the any session high or low, it doesn't matter that market will be reverse or continuation, right? You have to wait for it in a lower time frame for confirmation. So now let's switch into 1 minute structure. First of all, you have to wait for it to taken out this high or low. Okay, so right now this is our low is here. This was our ACM. Asian session low is here, and this one is taken out. So once market taken out this low, and this big, this shadow act like our PY, act like our like a order block, like a PY, you can say PY actually, price of interest, where we can buy or sell, because price taken out the low and close our weight. So this is an indication for the reversal. And if you switch into lower time frame, then you can take buy or sell entry for the confirm it. After taking out the confirmation, you can buy or sell. If case session high or low taken out, we need investment. If market taken out this session or like high or low, you like it depend. If market break the structure, so you can take entry. But if you are not looking for the for example here, correct, if market structure break here, right, then you can take entry after taking out the inducement. If not, you are taking entry aggressively, right? You don't need to wait for the taken out the inducement, because liquidity already taken out. Main thing is a liquidity. Okay, so let's see. In a lower time frame, you can see price already shift the previous candle, I mean previous sessions low, which one is here. So first thing is here, we can take two types of entry is here. First one is if market sweep the previous high or low, you can take first entry when price close our weight is here, right? And put the stop loss just below it, and at least target this high, right? And the next entry is here, if market break the first high, which one is here, break this high, taken out the inducement, then we can definitely buy here to the upside. So this is the next possible entry for the buy. First entry we are looking here for buy, and this is a like a entry type 3 is also, because when market break the major higher low, sweep the higher low, then we can buy or sell, correct? Okay, let's see. Okay, right now there is a no still structure break, and you have to wait for it. Okay, finally market break this high. This one is here. After break this high, you have to wait for it to confirmation for the taken out the inducement, then we can buy. Let's see. Okay. In this case, there is no like a possible entry for the buy, because in this leg there is no inducement. This is a single leg is here. Okay. So finally, market taken out this high, which one our Asian session high, and this one is our like a okay, Asian session. Okay, correct. Asian session high sweep here. So this is a addition like one more confirmation. Like if market close of it, so we can buy here like this. If market close of it above this high, at least this high. So this is a confirmation. Taken out the inducement, we can buy here for the upside. But market sweep the major high, which is an indication for the at least taken out the pullback. Okay, then we can buy or sell. Okay, so this was our previous session high is here, Asian session high, which is a taken out. So first entry, where is a possible? Yeah. And this one is our stop loss, and this is a very aggressive entry, and target will be here. Right. And let's see. Okay. And this one is our order block. And if market tap here and give any opportunity possible here and push higher and fail. If market fail this one, so this one become our flip entry model, and we can again sell here. And let's see what happened next here. I'm sorry. Okay, let's see. Okay. So market type here, and if I ask you when we can buy or sell. In this case, where you would like to sell here, in this case, everyone, and why? Okay. Look at this price action is here. If you are looking here for the like sell our weight, so first thing is here, you have to understand flip entry model. Flip entry model, what flip entry model say? If any demand tap here and keep any reaction to the upside, and then what happen? Market break the those low is here, right? So it's this is an indication that this demand is not uh, this demand can't be sustained. This low, I mean, this demand can't be sustained, hold this zone, and then we are looking for the sell, right? Why? Because market break the this low. Okay, if market continue go higher, right? So this is an indication market actually looking for the continuation. But at this time, what happened here? Market trying to push upside and then failed, right? So this market break this low, and look at this previous candle taken out this high. So we can sell here on the using single candle mitigation entry is here. And target will be same here. Correct. So we can add one more position is here. Actually, those area already mitigated because there is a no proper imbalance. That's why we can't take those area. Okay. Okay, perfect. So when we can add one more position is here. Okay, correct. And we can add one more position is here. If market break this low, first one is here. And second one is here. If you are looking for the take, one more position is here. So this candle taken out the previous candle high, right? And we can again sell here and put the stop loss just for it. And this one, you can say a little bit aggressive entry for the sell, like here. But you can add in the only one case. If you miss the first entry, then you can add this one, because you can add multiple position is here, because you are already in a first entry is here on a risk point, so you don't need to take risk two times on the same point, right? So if you miss first one, then you can take this one, right? If you are already in a one or two position, then you have to wait for it to break this low, which one is here, then you can take another entry for the sell, right? Let's see. Okay. Okay, so as I mentioned that if you are looking here for the one entry for the buy or sell, then you don't need to add multiple position is here, but these are two entries are possible, like valid for the sell, right? So how we can take another entry here, and when we can take next possible entries here? Taking out this all money, right? And after taking out this equal high, when we can sell? We can sell either on this, exactly, right? So we can sell either here, if market type here, either break this low, then we can add one more position is here. Okay, let's see. Okay, perfect. Put this stop loss just above it, and target will be same here. Correct. So this one is here, and the you can see the previous candle save this high. So this is an additional confirmation. If someone wants to take some reduced risk entry, so you can sell simply here. If you want, like if you miss this position is here, so you can simply sell here on the next candle open here and put the stop loss just above it, and target will be same here, right? So you can apply like this type of entry is here. Okay. Okay, perfect. There is no entry. Okay. Okay. So finally, the previous low is here, right? So after taking out this low, we can close all position is here, because market taken out this liquidity, sell side liquidity, right? Let's see. Right. So this one is a possible entry is here, buy and sell. Okay, let's see. Once market taken out the any sessions high or low, you have to switch into lower time frame for the buy or sell. In this case, there is no possible entry for the like buy, because our inducement was here. If market taken out this inducement is here, right? So we can sell our weight. If market sweep this high, then we can sell. If not, then you have to wait for it to confirm for the buy or sell, right? In this case, there is our internal structure is here, and we can't take risk here for the buy or sell. Okay, there is no chop, no reversal confirmation, and market broke this high. Okay, now switch into back another 15-minute structure. Let's see. Okay, in a 15-minute structure, we can see previous high was here and sweep this one. When market sweep the previous high or low, we are looking for sell at this point, right? But you need to wait for it in a lower time frame confirmation in a 1 minute to see exactly that what price are doing here. Okay, so let's see, wait for it. There is any chalk is here, and also possible this demand and tap here and fail, then we can also sell. But let's see. Okay, there is no chop and no boss and no flip entry module is here for the sell. Price still continue go higher, and we are not looking here for the sell right now because market broke this high and market looking for the continuation, so we can't take risk here for the buy or sell anything. Okay, so now we have a next zone for the sell was here. Which one is here? So we can take risk here for the sell. Another entry is here because this high manipulate this one, correct? So we can sell here. Once market tap here, then we can sell. Before to mitigate this one, we can buy here till this zone. Okay, so if anything happen here for the short term buy, then we can definitely buy here till this zone, right? So let's see. So in this slide, when we can buy or sell, first of all, you have to switch into 5-minute structure. And in the 5-minute structure, this zone act like our SMT, but you don't need to buy here exactly. First, manipulate this order block, then we can buy, right? Because this one is our first low. You can say as a inducement. Right, let's see. Okay, so finally market taken out this inducement, and after taking out this inducement, when we can buy, we can definitely buy if market give any opportunity, right? So let's see, like chalk pause, then we can buy. There is no mitigate here. Okay, break this one, but I'm not still interested here for sell. Sorry, buy. So right now, where we can buy and which condition we can buy here? Everyone, I want to ask you. In this case, when we can buy or sell, which side you are looking here for the buy or sell? Still, you are in buy or sell side. This was a measure. Actual measure inducement is here. Okay. D2S, perfect. Sell, okay. General equity, okay, perfect. Okay. So in this case, if market break the first high, which one is here, right? And break this high and taken out the inducement, we can buy here, right? We can buy here. If market sweep this high and give any indication like this, sweep, and then we are introduced here for the sell, right? and next buy will be here after taking out the engineering liquidity is here, correct? And why we are still bullish here? Because this one is our major inducement is here. This is a minor inducement. This like this, right? So actual structure is here, right? So break this inducement. After collecting all money, we can buy here. And one more thing is here. If you notice here at this price action, look at this supply demand, like support or resistance level is here, right? So everyone buying here on this point level, then what happened? Market collect all money is here and then trying to go higher. If market broke this high, so this is our possible good entry for the buy. Taken out the inducement, then we can definitely buy here to the upside, right? And let's see. And if market sweep this high and give any indication here for the sell, then we can definitely sell like this at this point. Let's see. Okay. All right. So right now there is no. Okay, market continue falling into the downside, and now market must be taken out this low. Let's see. Actually, those areas not we can't sell there. No. Actually, we can't sell there because market already taken out the inducement. So this can be a little bit risky for the sell. So I don't think you don't take this trade for the sell. Actually, can be a little bit risky for you. Okay, market barely taken out the engineering liquidity, which one was extreme, and extreme is always high probability. So in this case, when we can buy, everyone. What is a confirmation? We should buy directly here, or we should wait for the confirmation. Okay. Yes, let's see. Oh, down. So market break this high, and now market, if market give any opportunity for the buy, then we can definitely buy here for the upside, right? But let's see, and this can be your first area when we can buy, right? And this low act like the inducement. Let's see. Okay, market push higher continue. There is no more opportunity for the upside, sorry, buy side, but it's okay. Let's wait for to mitigate this supply zone. Then we can take another entry if possible. Okay, so market tap our PY zone, so we can where we can buy or sell in this case. Okay, perfect. So can I sell directly at this PS1? Actually, if you are selling at this zone directly, then your stop loss will be a little bit higher. But if you would like to, if you want manage a stop loss like this, then you can definitely sell. Okay, but this I will suggest you that when price tap on your higher time frame PI, then you have to wait for it lower time frame for additional confirmation before the buy or sell. Okay, let's see. This one is our minor chalk, and after chalk you have to wait for the minor inducement. Then we can sell or buy. Let's see. Okay, So what happening here? We can see price tap on this order block and trying to go higher. Okay, break this low. Now, when we can buy or sell in this case? This is, I think, equal low. Perfect. So if price go higher, then we can sell our bid. Let's see. Oh, now. Okay, we can sell our bid, but if you look on this order block is here on this one. Correct. And this is our PY, I mean, sell setup when we can sell like this. Put this stop loss just above it and okay, let's see. And if you want to add one more, like if you want to add position is here, you can definitely sell here on the single candle sweep is here, correct, at this point. But if you are like putting the stop loss just of it, so you can set and say for is here, right? So it's depend, but let's see. Main thing is taken out the inducement, which is already taken out. Okay, so this can be a loss is here, and this one is the next entry. Push downside. Okay. Okay. Was market trying to push downside and break the first recent low is here. Yes, it is high, I think. Okay, now market continue to higher. Okay. So this can be your loss trade is here, but it's okay. You have to follow your trading plan. You have to follow your entries. Okay, market momentum is extremely bullish this year. And market trying to go higher, and market can be break this high in upcoming few days, possibly. They sweep the liquidity. Yes, they sweep the liquidity, exactly. Okay, guys, so I think we should start some quick question answer. If anyone have any quick answer, then quick question answer, you can ask me here, then I will finish this session. And these are possible entries here, and I think GBP USD gives a more opportunity compared to the Euro USD, I notice, but both pair are very good. Sometimes EU work very well and sometimes GU work very well. Okay, Zahir. Zahir, you can ask me. Now you are unmute. Do you trade a BTC by you? Why not? How to choose two pair? Actually, I don't trade a BTC, but I invest in crypto and stock as well as. But mostly, I trade in a forex, only single pair, U and GU. Do you trade NAS 100? Yes, I do sometimes NAS 100 and gold also. Okay, no problem. What to do if price start to hit our POE again and again? You don't first attempt you can take entry. If price tapping on multiple time on your POE zone, then you can avoid that. When price tap multiple times on any POI, that means those POI is not valid, or you can say is a beacon. Yes, should be exactly.